Hello everyone, welcome to Super Kalam. Today, this session is going to be all about the recent earthquake that hit the Kamchatka Peninsula and the tsunami alert that has been launched. But first question that I have for all of you is that why did this 8.8 magnitude earthquake hit the Kamchatka Peninsula? Russia's Far East is not what we actually associate with major earthquakes, but in reality, Kamchatka is one of the most seismically active regions on Earth. Let us understand why. Alright, so here when we look at this particular map, this is the Kamchatka Peninsula. Alright, now when we talk about this peninsula, please you can start making notes with me because this is going to be a very important class from both geography's perspective, from both environment's perspective and also the IR perspective. आपको map based topics याद होने चाहिए because यही prelims में पूछा जाता है. Okay, so there are key facts that we need to understand. What are those key facts? First important fact is where is it located. So it is located in Russia's, write it down, it is located in Russia's far east. So first we have understood what has happened and where it has happened. And as we can see that it also stretches between the Bering Sea. So Bering Sea news may plus also in the PYQs it was not very fairly asked, but now that such a huge and massive level of earthquake has taken place, you can be asked questions on Bering Sea. Bering Sea and the sea of Okhotsk. Okay, तो ये भी एक important aspect हो जाता है. Now it is a part of, write it down, it is a part of Pacific ring of fire. So I'll explain what exactly is Pacific ring of fire. वैसे तो आपने geography में पढ़ा होगा, but it is important. Okay, and you also have to remember that the Kamchatka Peninsula is located on the Pacific plate boundary. So write it down, it is also, this island is also located on the Pacific plate, Pacific plate boundary. So this is again important, ये भी एक important aspect हो जाता है. Okay, and this region is a classic case of geography meeting geology, a perfect example of how location determines vulnerability. Okay, and that is also important from economy's point of view because the investors internationally, when they invest, they look at both the geography and geology of the place as well. Okay, now let us help you understand what is the Pacific ring of fire. Now, when you look over here, this is the Pacific Ring of Fire. We know the Japan, the Philippines, Kamchatka, Alaska, Chile, all of these are in the Pacific Ring of Fire. Kamchatka is a part of this ring of fire. It is a belt where Earth's crust is incredibly active. So 90% of world's earthquakes you can see in these regions. 75% of world's active volcanoes can be found in these regions. So these earthquakes are not random. They follow the plate boundaries. The ring of fire traces the subduction zones. तो यहाँ पर एक important term आ जाता है जो आज हम पढ़ेंगे, which is subduction zones. What are subduction zones? We are going to study that. And these are the zones where oceanic plates dive under the continental plates. यहाँ पर ये land area है. This is the watery area. We have the oceanic plates over here under the watery area. We have the continental plates over here. So these are the subduction zones where these oceanic plates they dive under the continental plates. अब मैं आपको और डिटेल में subduction zones के बारे में बताती हूँ. Let us understand first about subduction zones in further detail. So a subduction zone, what is it? Subduction zone is a geological area where two tectonic plates, in this case I told you oceanic and continental, so where two tectonic plates converge with each other, and when they converge with each other, one plate is forced beneath the other into the earth's mantle. ओके, तो इसको हम सबडक्शन जोन बोलते हैं. तो इस तरीके से सबडक्शन जोन आपको दिखाई देता है. दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ सबडक्शन जोन बिकॉज वन प्लेट इज गोइंग beneath the other one. So this area would be subduction zone. All right, यहाँ तक point clear हो गया सभी को. These terms should be clear in your head because they can be asked in prelims. Now here if you look at this particular image, see when we talk about the earth's crust, हमारा जो earth है ना, this is our earth's crust, it is made up of, कैसे बना है, it is made up of the tectonic plates, है ना. For example, tectonic plates are like floating puzzle pieces. Write it down, floating puzzle pieces. All right, and these plates they move. So when they collide, or when they slide past each other, or when they subduct under each other, because of these activities, what happens? The seismic energy gets made up, seismic energy create होती है. Okay, for example, subduction plate की बात करें हम, oceanic plate is going beneath the continental plate. Okay, because oceanic plate dense है, कॉन्टिनेंटल प्लेट लेस डेंस है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थोड़ा सा तो हलचल होती है, काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी गेट्स क्रिएटेड, राइट, एंड दैट इज द सेस्मिक जोन. ये सेस्मिक जोन आपका हो जाएगा. ओवर हियर यू कैन सी ऑक्सटॉक प्लेट, दिस इज द पैसिफिक प्लेट. ओके, नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड फर्दर व्हाट्स हैपनिंग अंडर द कामचाटका. अगर हम कामचाटका की बात करें तो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, देखो, इन द पैसिफिक प्लेट इज डाइविंग बीनीथ द ऑक्सटॉक प्लेट ओवर हियर. तो यहाँ पर ना क्लासिक सबडक्शन जोन बन रहा है. दिस इज सी ऑफ ऑक्सटॉक, पैसिफिक प्लेट इज diving beneath the Oxtock plate, and this is the classic subduction zone which is getting created as one plate is forced down into the mantle. So this creates enormous amount of pressure, because of which here we will see the earthquake zone. यहाँ पर आपको earthquake zone देखने को मिलेगा. You will see the formation of the volcanic arcs over here. You will see the ocean trenches which are getting formed over here, the Kuril Kamchatka trench. Okay, and that is the reason why this kind of massive earthquake took place. 8.8 रिक्टर स्केल में देखा गया है. ओके, तो ये पॉइंट्स आपको याद रखनी है. दो प्लेट्स लॉक होती हैं, मैसिव एनर्जी रिलीज होती है, और वहां पर अर्थक्वेक एंड सुनामी हैजर्ड या सुनामी अलर्ट लॉन्च किया जाता है. थिंक ऑफ इट लाइक दिस इज अ स्टिक, you bend the stick, it resist and then suddenly it snaps. The plates resist the movement until the stress is too much, then they release violently, and that is why earthquake can be seen. Stress बनता है, plates lock करते हैं, sudden rupture होता है जिससे earthquake आता है. And as the subducting Pacific plate sinks, it melts due to heat and pressure. So I'm going to write that down so that you can understand. इसको लिख लेना मेरे साथ साथ, ठीक है? Write it down. So here you can see, as the subducting plate sinks, it melts due to heat and pressure, because of which magma is formed. Magma rises and it leads to volcanic eruptions. Kamchatka has around more than 300 volcanoes. 29 of these are very active volcanoes, which is a part of volcanic arc from Japan to Alaska. Okay, so this is a very very serious region. And why so many big earthquakes are taking place? The reason here is, first reason is deep, write it down, deep ocean trenches. Okay, Kuril Kamchatka trench जो है ना, it is a site of extreme subduction, and because of depth it leads to higher energy release. Second reason why so many earthquakes, second reason is, write it down, multiple fault systems. So there is not just one crack, many faults are interlinked. Okay, and then we have constant plate motion. Pacific plate moves more than 9 centimeter per year. Energy is always accumulating. ओके, और ये आपको पता है 1952 में तो हिस्टोरिक अर्थक्वेक आया था, मैग्नीट्यूड था 9.0, बहुत ही ज्यादा, मतलब बेसिकली इट जनरेटेड पैसिफिक वाइड सुनामी. All right, so this is very very important. So what are the key takeaways from today's class? That Kamchatka peninsula sits on converging tectonic plates, because of subduction zone are formed. Subduction of Pacific plate that leads to earthquake and volcanoes, active volcano formation. It is a part of ring of fire, so that means it is highly seismic. Plus we see deep trenches near this particular area, with multiple, write it down, with multiple faults that leads to high magnitude events जो अभी हुआ है. And this is not new, it's geological reality. All right, so this is the reason why the earthquake took place and why there was a tsunami alert which was launched. Let me know in the comment section if you understood the topic. So I have a question for all of you. Which of the following regions is associated with deep ocean trenches and high seismicity? अब मुझे आंसर आप comment section में बताओगे, ठीक है? I'll be waiting for your answers everyone.